Welcome back, Daniela here, and today I am working with the dies. I grabbed the village dies and also used the Cardstock Kit from the November kits, the Embellishment Kit, the main kit of course, and the Pocket Life Kit. And I want to show you how to create houses or little boxes which can hold sweet treats. So you see that I just used the biggest of those houses included in the village cutting die set. And first of all, I started by measuring all the different sizes, so the height, the width, and so on. And I just noted them down here on a piece of paper. And then I tried to make a prototype, just did some maths here to see what I need. So all in all, I have to use 10 centimeters. So all the measuring is done in centimeters. So if you want to make the box yourself, I have a screenshot for you later where you can just see what sizes you should use if you want to work with the little house as well. Of course, you can do so with all the other houses in this of the set, but then you have to, you have to use different sizes, of course. So first of all, I added different stripes to see where I have to fold later, and I also want to have a tiny little hanger on top, so I need 1 centimeter here. Then I need 2.5 centimeters for the roof, 3 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters for the house, and then 3 centimeters for the bottom. So this is the height, and now I need the different shapes for the single elements. So I need 2 houses and then both sides. So I also drew some lines here, and you can get all the measures in the screenshot I'm going to show you in just a few minutes. All right, so measuring everything up is something that I don't do a lot, but I had some fun playing with all the sizes here, and then I also added a little glue marker, and I want to have the roofs of the houses here, and I just put some lines where I can cut, and you will see the shape that I'm working with in the end. Okay, so now I just cut the basic lines, and then I can just follow the lines and have a little prototype, and then I have to do some folding and see if it works the way I hope it will. And this is where I have to cut, and now I just have to cut the lines here in the last row so that I can glue the houses together there at the bottom. So you see these shapes with the roofs is where I am going to put the die cut piece on, and this way I can create a little box where you can put a sweet treat in. It's perfect for little giveaways for colleagues, for example, or just small treats. Okay, here is where I glue, and that's what you can grab now. Just do a screenshot and then you have the shape and get your own houses. Okay, here I cut the exact same thing from the red cardstock that we get in the Cardstock Kit. And I just fold my box and use double-sided glue tape, duct tape. This is the cleanest way to get these boxes done, and I think that it fixes the paper quite well. So I also put some here at the upper lash and then something on the glue lash on the other side, and then I can put everything together. And you can cut these shapes from cardstock or from pattern paper, and this way you can create so many different boxes, which is a quite fun thing to do. All right, so I just put my chocolate in, and now I have my first box, and I want to use the pattern paper here, which I decided to cut the little house from, and I just adhere it with glue tape again, a double-sided tape, and this is what it looks like if you have cardstock in the back. I like it this way because we can peek through the windows a bit. We have the red red windows, and this is something that you can play with. You can also cut out the windows if you want to and put a little LED candle inside of the box, but I think that this way it's a nice and easy gift box. Okay, so I did some fussy cutting, and I want to use the fussy cut pieces from the pattern paper to embellish my house, and I put one of the flowers here on top of the roof, and then I also want to use the puffy stickers and the flare buttons, the chipboard flares, and also the flat stickers that we get in the sticker set. And I also work with the shiny little stars that we get in the kit. And this way you can choose from a lot of different embellishments and just place them, spread them around the box. So it becomes a very charmful little present, and everyone will be happy to get one because they are all individual, and you can choose just the colors and the shapes that fit the person you want to give it to. Okay, so here are some shiny stars, and then I also add some more stickers, and that's it. And now I also want to have a little hole here in my on my lip, and I'm just working with a paper piercer, and then I can use some yarn and a needle to get it in, and this way you have a little hanger, so you can hang it on the tree if you want to, or on a branch. It's a nice little gift you can give to anyone. Okay, so just getting the needle in, and then I have put my first box together, and I did some more, which I want to show you, of course. And I think that those little boxes can be used for so many different things, like little gifts, or you can also make an advent calendar, or just use them for decoration, whatever you can think of. All right, so just some more shiny details, and then this is the first one. Let me show you the others. I also made one from pattern paper. I'll show you in a second. So this one is the one that you followed along, and now I show you the other ones. You see that there is a lot of dimension in these boxes. That is what I like a lot. And here for this one, I Also used some fussy cut flowers and the mint cardstock, and I made the box from pattern paper. So I cut the house from cardstock and used pattern paper for my box. So this is quite different and I like this a lot too. Yeah, just another example, and then I have one more to show you. So here again we have green cardstock for the box and then pattern paper, which I took from the Pocket Life kit for the house. And yeah, everything is embellished with puffy stickers, shiny stars and little flower pieces. Well, I hope you liked my way of putting these boxes together. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm happy to answer whatever comes to your mind. Yeah, have a great Christmas time and thanks so much for watching again. Bye bye, take care.